Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to participate Script Supervisor Bee event in Heartopia. So in this new spring update of Heartopia, there's a fun new event that called Dreamlike Cinematics. And inside this event, you can join a new insect catching event that called the Script Supervisor Bee event, where you can catch a special event bee. And to participate to it, you can just simply join the event that hosted by Naniwa every day at 1 p.m. Or if you want, you can also host the event yourself by paying 2,000 gold to Naniwa. And for this tutorial, I'm going to start the event by myself. You can just meet the Naniwa at the Whale Mountain over here. This one, just go meet Naniwa and then talk to him. And then just tap on the Script Supervisor Bee event. This one, just click on it. And then next just tap on Start. And then just pay with 2,000 code. Tap on Confirm. Like this. And then the event will automatically count down to start like this. And then next you can also invite the friends to join the event. For example, like this. Like this, and then next just wait the friends until they arrive to the area, and then after that you can just start the event when your friends are completely arrived. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.